Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache, again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera, click on camera, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings. Here you will see reset settings. Now click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.